your hands. I like shoot, I will shoot. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey! Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our jingle bell, say, hey! I love you.
May nakakaraoke sa kanya. For sure may let it go yun, ha? It's alright. Come on daw, guys. Ibibigay niya daw kay daddy niya yung regalo. Yung ginawa niya.
Who done that?
Babe,
How?
listen.
Not at school.
School.
Cotton on.
Don't know.
That's beautiful, Belle. Come hug my daddy.
Did you say happy birthday, daddy?
Yes.
Thanks, Bobby.
Welcome.
You're welcome. Thanks, Bobby.
Thank you, Papa. So, eto, nahugasan ko na yung ating iro-roast na vegetables. And gumawa ulit ako ng pang-drizzle natin dito sa ating vegetables. Mixed vegetables. Lagyan ko tong salt and pepper. Mayroon akong gloves, yung disposable. Gagamit tayo nun para ma-massage natin siya ng maayos.
Mom.
Yes, baby?
You turn this on.
Wait a sec.
I'm gonna wash the dishes.
You're gonna wash the dishes again.
Yes.
Mahilig siya maghugas ng plato.
Mom.
Wait, Baba. Lumulobo yung ating. Wala na kasing ilaw tong ano namin eh.
Mom, this is
Wait, ayan. Lumulobo yung plastic.
more.
Yeah, wait. So, ilalagay ko lang yung vegetables dyan. Wait. So, eto, hindi naman ito mainit. Itong plastic, hindi siya mainit. So, and then, ibuhos lang yung vegetables dyan. Then, ayan. Ipatong. Then, di ba 1 hour ko siya sinet? Sinet ko siya 1 hour eh. Ngayon, ibalik natin siya sa oven. Then, ita-timer natin siya ng 3 hours. Yan, nakaset siya ng 3 hours. And yung isa, ayan. Baba, are you busy?
Wait.
Huh? You're not busy?
Yeah, I'm busy.
You're busy. Ayan yung kanyang extension para maabot niya yung ano, yung lababo. Pinalitan ni Jan yung kanyang tinatayuan kasi sabi ni Jan, baka madulas si Holly.
There's only water. Not good. Not good. Not good. Oh, not good. I want to turn.
Mahilig siya magugas.
Hello! I'm washing the dishes.
You like washing the dishes?
Yes. Look. Look at this.
Oh, not that one, babang mami will do that one.
So yuck.
Oh, that's my too.
Yeah. Love. Daddy!
Tapos na siyang maghugas. Tapos na kayo maghugas. You're done. Thank you.
Mom, how is this right?
Yan, later will dry. Okay? And ako, nagpapakulo na ako ng tubig para sa spaghetti noodles. Ito siya. Hoy! Where you going?
Outside.
Nandun na siya. Ayun naman si Holly. Tinutuloy yung daddy niya. Ha? No, you don't need your bucket, Papa. Gusto niyang kunin yung frozen. That's for your popcorn.
And with my
mamaya makapag ano na talaga ako no? Ang lamig. Dapat mamayang gabi ilabas ko na lahat ng regalo dyan sa car na yan. Kasi bukas lilinisan ni dyan yung loob. Ngayon yung labas mo ng lamig. Pasok tayo. Ako ng hot dogs para sa ating spaghetti. Luto na yung spaghetti noodles. And si Holly hindi pa nakakabalik. Nandun pa rin siya sa labas. Tumutulong sa daddy niya. Tapos ko nang hiwain yung hotdog. And ngayon naman, eto pala. Dapat pala inuna ko to. Kasi eto yung fruit salad ni Jan. Gusto niya maraming mangga. So, hinugasan ko na to. Then, kumuha ko ng isa pang kutsilyo para dito sa mangga. Matamis din tong manggang to. Eto ay yung Shine Mangoes. Kasi maraming ibang klaseng mangga ngayon yung koso. Eto, hindi ko pa to natikman. Mayroon na siyang itim. Alisin natin yan. May itim na siya, oh. So, hiwain ko lang to and then ilalagay ko yung cream and ilalagay ko sa ref. Then, magluluto na ako ng spaghetti. Dito na yung mga boys. Yes.
I have one bun.
This one.
I don't want the bun. I just want one taste, please.
Where's Kuya? Si Kuya hindi pa pumapasok. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, no, that's not cook. Tingnan mo siya. No, that's not cook. I have to cook. No, it's not cook na.
I'm trying.
No,
Why?
it's not cook. It's raw. You don't eat this. Oy, akin na yan. It's not cook.
Give me one more. Please.
This is not cooked, Sak. You don't eat that dog if it's not cooked. Sige na, mag-bye ka na nga doon. Kasi busy si Mami dito.
Bye, Mom.
See ya! Kakainin niya yung hotdog. Ito na yung ating fruit salad. Ay, hindi na pala to fruit salad. Mango salad lang to, guys. Kasi, ang dami niya na, oh. 2 malaking mangoes. And, pag binuksan ko pa yung fruit cocktail, sobrang dadami pa to. Alis kami sa Friday. Today's Wednesday. So, Wednesday, Thursday. So, 2 araw lang. Kasi Friday alis na kami. So, baka hindi maubos, sayang. So, paborito niya naman mangga eh. Ilalagay niya lang naman to sa ice cream. Itatoppings niya to sa ice cream. Yun ang ginagawa niya pa nagpo-fruit salad ako.
Have you got fresh salad and fish cod?
Yes, honey.
I'm having some blueberry tonight.
How is it, Baba?
Mom, this is hard.
What's that?
Guitar.
Puto pao. Nakadalawa na siya, oh.
No, I went upstairs too. No. No, it was this. So you ice. Just go back, stay back. This is the only thing what we don't have. Don't have to.
Luto na yung roast lamb at saka yung mixed vegetables. Ayan, ipakita ko yan sa inyo mamaya pag kinat ko na. Dito muna siya sa oven para mainit kasi si Jan, maliligo pa yun. And yung spaghetti, malapit na rin siya. Malapit na tumaluto. And kanina, gumawa ko ng puto. Pakita ko sa inyo, wait lang. Hinaan ko lang ang apoy ng spaghetti. Yung puto na may itlog na maalat. Pwede rin cheese, pero mayroon kasi akong itlog na maalat. Ito yung egg white ng leche flan kahapon. So, ginawa ko siyang puto para sa pag-celebrate ko ng happy 200k subscribers. Guys, thank you! Happy 200,000 subscribers, guys. Hindi ako makasigaw kasi tulog na yung mga kasama ko. Pero sobrang thank you. Maraming salamat. Maagang pamasko nyo po to sa amin. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas. Thank you. I love you all. Happy 200,000 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa 200,000 subscribers ko. Maraming salamat po. Hindi nyo alam kung gano'n kasi parang kailan lang talaga nag 100,000 tayo and then ngayon 200,000 na tayo bago mag-Christmas. Maagang pamasko nyo po to sa amin. Maraming salamat. Sobrang thank you. So yun, i-insert ko lang to sa isa sa i-upload kong vlog. Maraming salamat guys. Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye. Love you. Mwah. Thank you, thank you. So, ayan. Gumawa ng puto. Kasi si Jen hindi naman kakain. Si Holly kumain siya kanina. Dalawa kasi gumawa ko ng maliliit. And yan, naubos na. Eto na lang natira. Si Holly kumain siya ng dalawa. Ito yung itsura ng roast lamb. And kinuha ko yung sabaw niya para gawing gravy. Pero tatanggalin ko yung nasa ibabaw, yung oil. Tatanggalin ko yan para sa ating gravy. So, ito na yung ating handa para sa birthday ni Jan. Ayan yung spaghetti noodles sauce and yung mango salad.
It's ready.
Roast lamb and roast vegetables and gravy and yung leche flan.
Dad, it's ready.
Dad, it's ready. Alright, huh?
No. Ready. I have. We need a spoon.
Okay, wait for you.
Mom, I want to be daddy.
Spaghetti?
Yes, I like to be daddy.
I know which one. We use this one?
No, for you.
Which one? This one.
This is
For
not.
the sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah. The big one for you.
Cup, spoon, spoon.
Do you want
Pick that one. Pick that one.
Do you want spoon now?
Just for the.
I want a spoon.
Daddy, spoon. I need big boy spoon.
Nah, you go. Put
I want a little spoon.
Okay.
What's up?
You need
Who knows? Taste it.
what do you need, sir? Why? For Holly.
Good enough?
Do you want roast lamb? Sir? Ako na.
Mom, what is this?
Yeah, then the spaghetti now. Wait, no.
Is it?
Alin daw siya? You know the
Spaghetti?
yeah, the blue one. It's like
Oh no, it's different to the other.
Mom, spaghetti. I want a big spaghetti. Little more.
no, this is a lot more.
Okay.
Like, there's big lamb rice sticks in there, and use garlic for the spaghetti.
Yeah, I can always cook the
Yeah.
spaghetti.
Probably.
I like spaghetti.
Do you want that one, Bug?
Mom, I'm gonna have that too.
You want this?
No, no, need one.
You don't want it? Oh my god, this is very good.
Year-old driver refused to give a blood sample when he was taken to hospital following this crash on Handa Road at Chona. 3 other children were in the car, slamming into a unit just after 9 a.m.
All that.
He was in the front.
Where's that?
Witnesses who rushed to help saying he's lucky to be alive.
Wow, yeah. What's that, Baba? I'll cut it. I'll cut your noodle. Wait, I'll get your big Baba.
Yes, the 7-year-old is being treated here at the Western Children's Hospital for serious facial injuries. His father has been reported.
I'm not a baby.
Yeah, it's alright because you don't want to stain your clothes. Do you want this up?
A little bit. Oh, it's quite itchy on my itchy hair.
Good?
It's wrong.
No, it's not wrong, Baba.
Yeah, look. It's a little
It's
wrong.
alright. Stop, Baba. That one. I'll cut this. It's easy for you.
I'm not a baby.
You're not baby. You're Holly.
She's a toddler now. She's
toddler.
3.
Yes.
1, 2, 1, 0. That's when the
Aliyah's a baby of this.
Aliyah.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you pray, boys? Dear Father, Baba. Dear Father.
Baby Farah.
Dear Father, and Son, Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Amen. Ang sarap ng... Kita ko sa inyo guys yung roast lang. Kung gano'n siya. Katender. Yes?
I said I want a little bit of red, please.
Ah, alright. Gusto pala ni Sak ng rose lamb.
Picture.
You too? Good, huh? Really good?
Over here. Mama.
Yesterday, the report finding
Dad and Mom. I want to eat this. I want to eat it all. I'll eat it. If I can.
You want gravy? Did you put gravy, Han?
There's so much gravy left on there.
Pakita ko muna po sa
Oh,
kanila.
it's funny.
Good, Baba?
I'm not very.
You don't need gravy. Pakita ko sa inyo yung roast lamb. Padaan.
Is that the light one right there?
Ayan, guys. Napaka-tender and juicy
I know
niya.
how you made it. Did you tip it over?
No. Ayan, guys. Oh. Kita nyo? Ang lambot. Oh.
Mom, how about you have noodles?
No, I'm gonna eat now, Bob. I'm so hungry. I'm just showing it to the people that the roast lamb is really tender and good.
Not
Ayan.
tender.
Kinda.
Tender good.
Huh?
Tender good.
Tender good? When you gonna ship Friday?
Mom, you only gave me one.
Oh, you want more?
And Mom, I forgot. What? Ooh.
Wow, Kuya. Kuya, why don't you try this one? This is really good, Kuya. Tomorrow.
Hey, Mom.
Are you
I
want
want pink.
more?
Wait,
Please.
wait. Red or blue? Wait.
More.
Then there's good. Too much. Thanks, Julia.
Thanks, Kuya, though. Honey, can I have that baby?
Yeah.
Kuya. Huh?
Bread.
Yeah. No, that's for tomorrow.
That over? Mom, how about red?
That's all. Right.
I want that one. Oh, I'm gonna get plain.
No, just eat it, because you don't want
No,
to.
I'll
Hey, that lamb for you.
One star.
I'm Danny.
Good, Baba?
It is unbelievable greatness for Adelaide, but not so great news for a former Wimbledon champion. We'll have that story for you ahead in sport. Also ahead, Jake Waterswap's known for the man he almost his record. He almost lifted in Adelaide.
That's wrong.
Ran like 2 hours on this chart.
Baba. We have ice cream.
We'll see you soon. The rankings here and Aussie school students are slipping down the ladder. Why is our education going backwards?
Because you can for it.
He plays for Port.
Oh.
Everything going somewhere else.
No, he's staying. He's trying to get more fit.
Jan, pupunta si Jan next week. Tiger food. Ayan, tapos na kaming kumain and magdi-dessert na kami. Yan yung cake ni Jan, yung leche flan.
Daddy! Daddy! No! 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 No!
Dad, Dad, Dad. Dad, Dad.
What's the drink?
My face is stronger. Oh. I'm rushing. Okay, sit down. I wasn't ready.
Use the shoulder. Or use the hole.
That light is meant to be on.
No, no,
What's
no,
this light?
Is this strong? Is this trying?
I want you. Oh, try this one. 5, 4,
Don't, Zach.
3, 2, 1.
Turn off.
Okay, okay, come on.
Happy birthday to Squad. Oh, that's one. Can I blow it for you? Ow.
Okay, take photo first, come on.
It is.
Holly, go look, so smile. I can see Daddy. Daddy.
Yeah, that's alright.
No.
You see me?
Holly, come on, smile. Come on.
Smile.
Stop. 1, 2, 3. Kuya, look. Kuya, look. Look, Tyrone.
Right, light it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and
Wait, Holly.
don't blow it
Stop.
until they finish the song.
Okay, you have to sing happy birthday first.
Alright, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy.
Hooray! 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 Yay! Yay! I didn't do it!
This way.
It was meant to be. It was meant to be.
Go.
Go.
Go. Hey, okay, go.
Zach.
Go, come on, Sal. Go, sing it, Daddy.
Holly's turn.
The Holly start.
Holly's turn.
Go, Holly.
Go, Holly, quick, go.
Come on, Holly.
Well done, mate.
Okay, let's.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try
That's the
it.
one you made, Kuya.
I'm gonna try it.
You made this.
I wanna try it. I wanna try it with a lollipop in there.
No.
Have popcorn while we're watching Happy Gilmore.
No.
Chica, chica, chica! Oh! Ooh, ooh. Dad, you have to run. Not in our diary.
We'll cut the cake on.
Can I?
No, Daddy.
No, Dad, can I?
Daddy,
Wait, so Dad can have a bit?
no, Daddy will cut the cake.
I want to
I'll
cut
go.
a bit. I don't want that. I want to cut a bit too.
Didn't
Cut
touch
that.
the bottom.
You didn't touch?
Nah.
What happened? Mum, you touched the bottom.
It's not her birthday.
It's not my birthday.
Can I?
Oh, look at that, honey.
I'm not having one. Can I try
In a minute,
it?
baby.
Okay, I'm gonna have a try of yours. If
Get the ice
if I
cream.
like it.
Zach.
I will. I
I'll
will.
tell you, it's the red one.
Wait, pakita ko lang muna. Wait. Wait, bean. Ayan. So, ikakat na ni Kuya.
Alright, go eat 5. You get ice cream.
You made that one, Kuya.
Mom, give me plate.
Oh, look out, there's gonna eat.
What do you think?
Give me plate. I want vanilla.
Kuya.
I want the vanilla.
Good.
Good? How is it, Han? Good. Let me see. Is it very soft?
Yeah.
Oh. See that, Dad? So, yan yung birthday cake niya, oh. Let me see, Han. Ayan. Ayan siya, ganyan siya ka-creamy, oh.
I want to try. Mom, can I try?
Yeah.
Wait.
Mom?
How is it, Zach?
I want to
Stop.
try.
Check it.
Half good,
Huh?
half good and half bad. But that's for me or Dad.
Pangalawa na yan ni Jan.
I want to have a hand.
Favorite dessert niya yan, eh.
I want to cut one.
Hey, have
Mom, I ate vanilla in it.
It's only on top, right? Not in the... Not here. So, ayan, oh. Wala siyang... Hindi... Wait, kuya. Ipakita lang natin. So, hindi nyo makikita yung vanilla bean na yung seed.
yeah, fine.
Huh?
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
Even I want. Hi, Kuya. Kuya?
That's mine.
I'm watching you, Kuya.
We need a bowl.
Good.
You want ice cream, kuya, Tijan?
Uh-huh.
And I want two.
Please,
Huh?
can
I want two. I want two, Mommy. No, I want two.
No, that's too much already.
It's a little bit more.
Just keep eating. Rack.
Tapos na si Jan kumain ng leche flan. Eto naman sa kanya, dessert. Yung mango tapos ice cream. And ayun kay Holly, Zach, and kay kuya kukunin ko pa lang. Where's your bowl, kuya?
Wait.
Mom,
Just a need.
I'll be
Welcome.
careful there, Mom. Mom, be careful there.
No.
Yes. I know what's the baby.
no, no.
There's
No, Happy Gilmore is on 55 and I put it on this for some reason. I want lots of ice cream and lots of fruit salad first.
Put this ice cream in the freezer first, please.
For me.
Kuya.
10. We're going to bed. 10 o'clock.
What?
Maybe more after this.
Wait.
Put some more for a salad in now while it's hospital. Bravo.
Another gift. Happy birthday.
Well, thanks, Barb.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh, we said you had a gift. Didn't we?
Holly! Did I have a
You
gift?
guys need to now show it.
I already showed you.
Nah.
No, I know the card.
Holly! Sinabi na pala ni Holly. Here you go. Alam niya na kasi. Alam, sabi ko na sa inyo guys eh. Alam niya na eh. But you have the ticket for your idol, honey.
Huh?
You already have the ticket for your idol.
No, I'm not worried about that.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Ha?
All the clothes.
Alam niya na kasi lagi ko siya binibig.
fruit salad.
Happy birthday to my dad. Happy birthday, Dad, for the
It's gonna fit.
Yeah.
Si Holly, sinabi niya sa daddy niya, ikaw talaga, Holly, kaya next time, I'm not gonna show it to you.
Holly found it. It was in baby room.
Let's do it! Well, happy birthday,
That one will
Dad.
fit you, huh?
I made it.
I know. Ay, sabi ko sa inyo, mahirap siyang regaluhan kasi alam niya na. You gonna try? Ita-try niya, yes? It's alright?
Yeah.
How about the white one, Han? Dawa. Pinatugtog na naman ni Holly. Let's look, alright? Extra large, hon.
Let's wait. And let me know.
Don't touch it.
What's the
I know, it's small. What? That's extra large, hon. Why you keep stretching it? Holly, will you please turn the light, please?
Back.
Huh?
I like it to go down.
Why? It's alright. That's extra large.
I think you can use that for golf.
No.
No, you can't. It's too hot for that. Golf for you cannot wear that for golf.
Winter.
For golf?
No.
What are you for winter?
It's so thick wearing summer. Huh?
You're gonna wait winter to wear that one. Because yung shirt niya.
My shorts are fine. They feel like they go up my ass. And they're just short, right? I don't like those.
Because yung short.
That was the favorite.
Isasawli ko yung shirt. 34.
I like that
34
one
naman yung
better.
mga shorts niya. Ewan ko, siguro iba-iba pag
Dad, I like that
ano,
one better.
ibang brand. So I have to return the short.
Finish.
Good girl. Put in the sink.
I want to show one more.
No more. That's enough. You had enough. What's my other gift to you?
Golf,
Yeah.
ticket, and accommodation and golf and food,
Yeah, and
fuel.
and who you gonna what?
Happy birthday.
Who you gonna watch?
Tiger Woods and Ernie Els and all that.
Yeah, Tiger Woods. What do you call that car?
President Cup. Happy effort.
Where are you going?
I want to go to the sea. I don't know if we're going or not tomorrow.
No, you're not. No,
I
you're
don't
not.
know.
No, you're
I
not.
don't know. People feel getting up for a look, but I don't know.
Did someone fish today?
No,
No
we're
one?
fishing Sunday. Everyone stayed up.
Alright. Napagod na ako, guys.
We're going to bed.
As in,
Movie starts at 8:30.
Yeah.
o parang sakit ng katawan ko. Kasi natulog ako kahapon, nagkagabi, anong oras na? Alas 3 na ata, alas 4. Eh, hindi, 3:30. No, Baba. What are you doing, Kuya? So, yun na yung... Let's close the vlog, Baba. Let's close the vlog. Say, mayroon na naman siyang, ito yung nabili namin to sa ano, sa
Penguin.
Woolies, yung nice and
Not
natural na chick.
No, Woolies. It's penguin.
No, it's penguin. So, yun na yung vlog
And
for
can you
today.
have pen of
Okay.
database?
Okay. So, yun na yung vlog. Ha? No. So, yun na yung vlog for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next. Guys, say it properly. See you on our next
Next
vlog.
and that's right.
That's vlog. Okay, good night, guys. Thank you. Bye. Ma. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Jingle bell, all the way. We'll hop off our thing.